In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Poshmark history on iPhone. This guide will help you clear out your Poshmark data stored in your iPhone's Safari browser. It's important to note that Poshmark does not currently provide an option to delete your account activity, order history, or search history directly in the app. Users have shared that there is no built-in feature to clear recent searches. However, if your goal is to remove Poshmark-related data from your browser, follow along closely. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It usually looks like a gear. Once you tap on it, you will enter the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your device. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all the settings related to your apps, including Safari. Knowing how to navigate these settings will enhance your overall iPhone experience. Next, scroll down to find the Apps section and tap on Safari. This will take you to the Safari settings. Here you can modify different preferences that affect how Safari operates on your iPhone. This is important because the settings you adjust here can significantly impact your browsing privacy and data management. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options can help you optimize your Safari usage in the future. After accessing Safari settings, locate the option labeled Clear History and Website Data. Tapping this will prompt you with a warning that informs you about what will happen once you confirm the action. This option is vital as it allows you to remove not just your browsing history, but also cookies and cache associated with your visits to various websites. Clearing this data is a good practice for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that your device runs smoothly. At this point, you will be prompted to choose a time range for clearing your browsing history. Options typically include the last hour, today, and all time. Selecting the appropriate time range is key because it determines how much of your data will be erased. For a thorough cleanse, you might want to choose all time. Once you've made your selection, tap on Clear History. This action will effectively remove all the selected data from your Safari browser. Remember that while this process clears your browsing data from Safari, it does not affect your Poshmark account history, orders, or messages. If you are using the Poshmark app itself, you might consider deleting and reinstalling the app. This can sometimes remove locally stored data on your device. However, be aware that it will not erase information stored on Poshmark servers, such as your account history or previous purchases. In summary, while Poshmark does not offer a direct way to delete your account activity, you can manage your Safari data effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure your browsing history and data linked to Poshmark are cleared from your device. This little step saves you a lot of time later and enhances your privacy while using the app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.